are unboxing the Festool DTS 400 REQ, and we're plugging it into the Festool CT Mini. We're going to be sanding as we did with the R125. We're going to see if we can get these looking good. It's got some really nice rusty staples in here, and we're going to try and get this looking right. Clean that up. Fix the floor. We fix the floor here. A couple of floor patch hatches patched in the teak. Patched in right behind there. We got this lead weight hanging on there, so that's good. And you can see we put this really nice floor in. We're using Compass Clear by Interlux with the 333 brushing thinner. So here we go. I'm going to fix that skylight hatch cover, get all the teak cleaned up around there. Going for that one. We got two more on the boat. We'll see how it goes. Just gonna try this new sander out right out of the box and see how it does.